All right guys, so moving on to the next step. You have learned the transition. Now we're gonna work on getting a little support with the band. So loop the band around. Thicker the band obviously is the more help you're gonna get. And then you put it behind you. And then you want it to go just in your thumb there. That way you're able to still establish your false grip. So get into your support position by jumping up, and then get your butt set, get your false grip. And then I want you to try to keep your legs in an L-sit position. And then just like we practiced in the previous drill, nose to toes and freeze. Walk it back down. Try to get that false grip, because if you get down here, I'm just going to show you, even though I have a strong grip, it's going to make it a lot harder for me to do that. Because you've got to move that transition of the hands up and over as opposed to that false grip from already on top. So loop the band around, jump up, and if you've got good pulling strength, let's see if we can link a few together. Notice this control on the way down. There's no swinging. Staying super tight. That's your next phase. Good shot.